Good morning. In the series of achieving sustainable development goals and going to moon, Mars and beyond, we are at SDG 6, which talks about sustainable water for all purpose and sanitation for all. Now, target 6.6, protecting and restoring water ecosystems, including mountains, rivers, wetlands, forests, lakes and aquifers. Indicator 6.6.1, change in water related ecosystem over particular period of time. Now, during pandemic, to be on lighter side, some of the portions might have got recovered due to little intervention of human beings, but to be on serious side, due to lack of human interventions, some might have faced the problem of maintenance. So that might have gone into the nadir state, bad state, worse state even. Okay, so let us maintain this. Thank you very much.